Hey, my country people, another one don shele again o. Hey, another one don happen again for inside abule, for inside life. Say Dion Osagie say e don kpakere money from two couple, my people. Oh, kokobioko, no be small thing o. E say Dion Osagie, e don collect either 5,000 euros from their hands, and now e don return 2,500. e remain half of the money. No be small thing o. Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Sweet Mother Gist TV. I greet you all according to your time. How una dey, my amazing people? Among my people, hey, wonder shall never end o. E don tey wey be say I dey hear am wey dem dey talk say Dion Osagie is a this is a scammer, is a oji, atakparakpa no be oji. Hey, make una come with me, my people. Make una come hear this one. No be small thing o. I say make I just waka kurukere kurukere. Now I just see this video. Wey this woman come call in into about Obaze platform, my people. The woman just dey talk o. E say Dion Osagie na tiffy jankoriko, my people. Hey, no be small thing o. Wetin we never hear, they say we never waka reach there, my people. Make una come hear tori with me. Nene video evo banji. Oh my God, this is unbelievable, my people. It's unbelievable. I say I can't believe this o. I can't believe this, that Dion Osagie e dey collect money from people. E say whether Dion Osagie, whether na doctor wey be say e go either care health for UK. Hey, my people, make una come with me o. Okoko bioko. See am for here. See the video. E say Dion Osagie na atakparakpa no be oji o. May we come see the reaction of our people. If people come even dey give the woman gbas for inside this very video. Say go sleep, mumu. Mumu, please. Mumu, quick keep quiet to una bingo both the woman hearing dust about Obaze and Dion Osagie. Una head no correct. Hey. They say about Obaze with Dion Osagie head no correct o. Make una come here. The woman plus the interview dey craze when e don fake ID card for you take. This is too funny. Ha 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 ha. My people, me I never hear this matter wey dey on ground. Me wey be say me wey be the aproko the godmother. Why una do all those things for my back when I no know? I no dey at alert reach. My people, una believe say I no dey at alert reach? Me I no understand this thing wey come dey on ground o. I no dey at alert reach. I no even hear this thing. Now me dey see am say they call Abat say na mumu for this very comment section. Wahala be like bicycle. E no dey really dey use fuel. We hear say the other day say na Collins Imudia Foundation o. Now we still dey hear for everywhere. How Collins Imudia Foundation? How e still dey carry money from people hand dey go? Or till e worker come see cry come out say see how Collins Imudia take dey duduvaga a lot of Europe women, for that matter o. Women wey dey come from abroad say Collins Imudia dey duduvaga a lot of them wey be say dem dey one group for WhatsApp, dey give them woto and e still dey record them, come dey show their kpekus. Hey, see shame and disgrace. A lot of women, una need to wise up o. Man wey be say you still dey give money, e still dey record you, e go dey show e friends. No be juju be that. Carry una body wey don record, e go dey show e friends dey go. Hey, wahala dey o, my people. Wahala be like bicycle. E no dey use fuel at all. Foundation wahala. wahala of foundation for inside abule. This woman wey dey come interview now, e dey let us dey know say e scam dem. Sister or madam interview, how you take give am the money? And this woman dey tell us say no be clear eye. So this woman wan come let us know now say Dion Osagie dey use juju. Foundation wahala for inside abule, my people. No be wetin be name again, Kolisimudia foundation. Na Dion Osagie na dey just dey draw lege for everywhere say Dion e don chop people money tire. My people, how could this be true? Because me I believe say if you wan support somebody for foundation, e come out for your heart. After giving, you come dey draw the person money back, say make e come give you back your money. No be juju be that. Hey, nothing wey we no go hear for social media o. The next one, ìyẹn wá kan dẹ̀ wúwa, because no be everything I fit talk for English. Ìyẹn kan dẹ̀ wúwa. Because ọ̀wọ́n fi me. Na wetin una believe o. Person like me, ojuju, e no dey work for my body o. Na wegbeme, because Jesu Christi no me wafa. Me yegbe yako. Una mu no we foundation. Na oweri a oweri clear. We ne Dion Osagie dori ho we no. Oko. This 2023, my people, how you want still be? Una dey reason wetin I dey reason. How you want be? 2023, everywhere don me nyanga for inside media. People wey dey do saga, they dey one side. People wey be say they dey draw foundation people lege, they dey one side. Very worry mana here to me. If una know say na true say Dion Osagie say e dey read the Osagie, or what akparakpa no gi Osagie no, the woman wey say do yo. Or what akparakpa no gi Osagie wey Dion Osagie hi o here do me ni mo say. Meme even he born there. Una don still hear this kind thing? Na only God na can know whether na true na this very woman dey talk. And Dion Osagie, you need to come out o. Make you come debunk am. He say as Dion Osagie wan send that 25, he say Dion Osagie come record am. As he come snap am, he come give them. He say before they say make they look the proof, Dion Osagie come delete am for the other side. My people, how could this be true? Now I still dey ask, I don't know whether any of una know about this issue. Because me, Sweet Mother Gist TV, now my first time wey I take dey hear this one, na be this o. Hey, ewo, wahala, e no dey finish o. May God help us all. Abeg, if you dey see this my channel for the first time, Sweet Mother Gist TV, where you go for the hear audio to reward, audio updates wey dey happen for inside life. Kindly do me a favor, subscribe. And I also have a Facebook page. Like and follow my page, where you for the hear all the tori what wey dey happen for inside Mommy Iyore show. Follow my page. God bless you all. Like and share this video. I love you all. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye guys.